When there is a discrepancy between the particular balances of the ledger, the balance of that items for an account. How much that is? 1,000 rupees only, right? Go to the transaction code FAGL B03. So that for that particular ledger, we're going to say FAGL B03. Right to the downside. So 1,000 rupees is the balance. Huh? Okay. That is the main issue. Check posting periods. Okay. This may have caused the discrepancy. Go to the transaction code FB08. F. Now, what is the document number? Go to that F. Sorry, 55002. 55002. Take out the reversal reason. Take out wrong posting. Okay, come back. Take out the posting period also. That is the posting period 01. Go to the save button and save it. Document 55009 posted in company code. Okay, so give /n. Give /n. Now go to the transaction code FINS underscore activation underscore OA. Come back. Give /n. Give /n. Once again, go back to the transaction code FINS underscore activate underscore OIM. Take out the GL account. Take out the company code. Now the error is resolved. Come back, one step back, and go to the remove the test run, test mode. Go to the program, and execute in background. LP01. Continue, check, immediate check, and save the details. Background job was posted. Yeah, give /n and go back to the transaction code FS00. Go back to the transaction code FS00. Now take out the cash group and incoming payment. Go to the control data. See, open item management is activated. Okay, so ledger balances is mainly the discrepancy. Okay. Now you have everything, right? Go to the FBL 3N once again. Go to the FBL 3N. File Act 2, File Act 2. Go to the execute option. 20,000 you have. Drag to the downside. See all of you. So you have 5,000. Okay, maybe somewhat 1,000 discrepancy is there. Okay, so we have reversed that thing. Okay, all right. 53,001 you have, go up, and 10,000 you have on 12/04/2024. Okay, 36018. Go to the MT940 format. Go to the MT940 format. Our balance is 20,000 rupees. Our balance is 20,000 rupees. Opening balance, change that one, 20,000. Change the dates also. 16. Go up. That one is also 16. 100 is okay, and 100 is okay, and 10,000. When it comes to the vendor payment, remove the date also, give the 16. Make sure you have to add the correct date, all of you. This one is also 16. That one is also 16. Down, complete down. Change, yeah, this one is 10,000, but change the document number. Go to the FBL 3N. What is this document number? 36018. 36018. 36018. Change the date. This date is 12, right? Go up for that particular amount. That is 12. Change the date. Remove the 16, just 12. And here also, if remove the 15, 12. No. In that thing only. In that amount 24, you have 0415 you have entered. Remove that 15, just give 12. Here. Colon 61 colon, and after that you have 240415 date is there, right? Make it 12. Then next one, make it 16. This one 100 rupees income 16 16. No. 16, yeah. Then next one, this 5,000 incoming payment, remove the 15, just give 16. What is that the document number you have? 53001. Yeah. 53001, that's fine. And yes, see the details and take out the calculator. 20,000 minus 100 minus 100. 20,000 minus 100 minus 100 minus 10,000, and then plus 100 plus 5,000. The amount should be 14,900 rupees. Okay, good. Now go to the SE38 and remove the bufferings. SE38 and remove the bufferings. Okay, good. Go to the transaction code FF_5. Print bank statement, print posting logs, execute it.